Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Saint-Eustache local and long-distance movers near me. When you're ready to hire a cheap Saint-Eustache moving company, 3 Movers is the team you can trust. You will get the local or long-distance moving options you need from our team. We know how to help you get to your next location faster and easier. Choose the right long-distance moving company and you'll gain access to the following: packing services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. If it's time to relocate your family or business 100 miles away or further, we have the right services for you. Our team of long-distance movers can help you get to where you need to go without all the stress. Hire us and notice a difference when you relocate. You get the best experience for your local move with a Canada Moving Company. There will be no need to recruit people you know to help or risk injury by doing the heavy lifting yourself. Plus, you'll save a ton of time and energy. 3 Movers offers plenty of options to help you with your local move. We streamline everything to get you there faster. A move that would take you all week to complete, we can complete in less than a day. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Saint-Eustache moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.